It's time once again for It's Electric with Lou Norman of Enormous Mobile Specialties in Harbor Creek. We talk all things electricity, specifically related to vehicles. And Lou, today something that many people were probably fond to have, if indeed they have one.
Well, I thought today would be a good day since it's a little cooler outside and maybe there's a little bit of snow on the vehicle. And we are installing remote starts, the ability to start up your vehicle, and it's so much more comfortable. But the installation of remote starts is complex, and today's cars are complex. And there's no governmental regulations for a shop like me to install these remote starts, so you have to make sure you do your due diligence. And a shop like mine knows what we're doing, so we're going to do it right, and you're going to have a nice, reliable remote start.
There's quite a difference between a job well done and a job not well done as it relates to these.
Correct.
Take us through just exactly what this process does entail, because this is complicated. Sure.
Now, this here is a typical remote start we will do on today's cars. And what we'll actually do is we will actually install vehicle-specific wiring. So this is designed specifically, for example, to plug into a Mazda, or if you had a Buick, or if you had a Honda, we would put in wiring that's specifically designed to plug into that vehicle. And on top of that, the remote start itself is going to communicate with that car's computer. There is the ability, if somebody wanted to, they could install a universal remote start, which kind of just does its best to communicate, and they can maybe cut wires. We don't like to do that. We like to take the extra steps and do it right, because we don't want to end up with this.
This looks like a junk drawer, not a...
This is something that we pulled out of someone's car that was having problems, and this is what you don't want to end up with. So if you're doing some research, you want to get a remote start in your vehicle, and you're like, oh geez, this guy's 50 bucks more money, I don't know if I should spend the extra money. It might be worthwhile to spend the extra money and have it done right, have it done like this. And then you can get some remote controls that are nice and small, simple button on it. It says engine start. You can also stop the engine if you wanted to too, and the air can blow on the windows, and you can have that snow defrosted. You're clearing safe when you want to go for that drive.
Easiest spot to learn more about this?
Absolutely. Check out our website. It's enormous.net. That's enormis.net. Click the Contact Us button. We'll see what we can do for whoever calls and get back to them and give them more information.
2 estimates from him already on my end. He's very good. When we come back on Erie Digital News Now at 5.